In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu font on Wix, making your website look more personalized and uniquely styled to match your brand's aesthetic. Whether you're launching a new site or refreshing an existing one, adjusting the menu font can significantly enhance your visitor's experience. So let's dive into it and make this process as simple as possible. First, we'll start by navigating to the Wix website editor. If you haven't already opened it, go ahead and do so now. The website editor is your main hub in Wix where all the customization magic happens. It's where you'll implement all the changes to your site, so becoming familiar with it is key to mastering your website's design. Once you're in the editor, your next step is to locate your website's menu. Simply click on it. This action will trigger the menu settings to appear, allowing you to start customizing the features, including the font. Clicking the menu brings you one step closer to giving your site the personalized touch you're aiming for. Now, let's focus on the design aspect. After clicking on the menu, you should see a button labeled Design. Go ahead and click on that. The Design button is your gateway to a range of customization options that will enable you to tailor how your menu looks. This is where you get to be creative and think about what fits your website's theme best. With that done, it's time to click on Customize Design. This option reveals more detailed settings, enabling you to modify various style elements of your menu. Customizing your design allows you to control not just the font, but other features such as colors and spacing, offering a complete design overhaul if you wish. Then, proceed by clicking on Text. This new tab is specifically tailored for altering all things text-related within the menu. It compiles all necessary options for modifying how your textual elements are presented, making it convenient to enhance readability and visual appeal. Next, you'll want to find the setting labeled Font. This is where you can look through various font options to find the one that best resonates with your site's voice. Choose wisely, as the font plays a significant role in how your content is perceived by visitors. Lastly, it's time to choose a font that aligns with your desired style. As you experiment with different fonts, consider how they complement your site's aesthetic and readability. A well-chosen font can greatly improve your site's visual impression, making it more engaging to your audience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your menu font on Wix. Feel free to explore other customization features available in the editor to further enhance your website's design. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!